So we're in Faryab province now, driving for my second day. We've done about maybe 150 kilometres, come south from Mazar-i-Sharif in North West Afghanistan. As you can see, it's really snowing, the roads are quite a nightmare to drive in. Mud everywhere, sliding all over the place, proper rally style, you know. But all good. We should be in the area which is affected by snow by probably a couple of hours from now. So we're all looking good, you know. But the snow is fully heavy today. Except we can't see much now because we've run out of windscreen washer. And it's just mud everywhere. Total mud and snow and roads, crazy man.
What sounds like?
Oh! Oh! Woohoo! That was brilliant, mate.